Want to learn this eggless chocolate chip cookie cake with a salted caramel center? Let's dive right in. Start by adding room temperature butter to a bowl. I'm using salted butter, but you can use unsalted too. Add brown sugar, castor sugar, and vanilla extract. Mix everything together until smooth. No need to cream the butter, just a well combined base. Next, add milk in parts. I have added half of the quantity here and will use the rest if needed. The exact amount depends on the flour you are using, so adjust as necessary. Now add the dry ingredients, whole wheat flour, corn flour, and a pinch of salt if using unsalted butter. Finally, chop some dark chocolate. This helps it spread evenly through the dough without creating big chunks that might tear it later. Add it to the dry mix for even distribution. Combine everything into a dough. You can replace wheat flour with all-purpose flour as well. If it's a bit dry, add more milk, but don't overmix, just combine it until it forms a dough. No need to work it like a bread. If you're enjoying this recipe, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Tap the bell icon for more recipe like this one. I'm using a 4-inch cake tin with a removable base. This makes it easier to get the cake out later. Brush it with a little oil to prevent sticking. Take more than half of your dough and press it into the tin to form the base and sides. Keep the sides slightly thicker so that they can hold the filling. Make sure the edges are sealed well. Here's the salted caramel. Spread it evenly but don't overfill it. It can leak while baking if you add too much. Its recipe is already on my channel. Link is in the description box. If you prefer, you can swap it with Nutella, ganache or praline. But salted caramel just pairs so perfectly with chocolate, so I highly recommend it. Take the remaining cookie dough and press it out with your hand between baking sheets to make it thin enough to cover the caramel. Once it's spread out, carefully transfer and peel off the sheet. Use a spatula or spoon to seal the edges well, making sure the filling won't leak out while baking. Now bake this in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 16 to 19 minutes. The edges should be set, but the center will still be soft with a golden top. Look how well it has baked. Let the cake cool in the tin for 10 minutes. Then remove it and transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Now let's frost. I'm using chocolate ganache, which is just equal parts of chocolate and cream melted together. You can drizzle caramel if you prefer. Top with some chopped walnuts for crunch. Here it is, eggless chocolate chip cookie cake with a salted caramel center. Look at that gooey slice. Try this recipe out and let me know what you think in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipe. Thank you for watching this recipe on Spoiled by Coco. I am Apurvi. Happy baking. See you next week.